futhi noyithundi ufaka ama-skin jean mancane yabo. So kwahamba kanjalo. So Ubaba Ndaba to me is more of like a role model.
Okay.
Yeah, a role model in terms of not only in terms of but in terms of worship. That guy's worship is really powerful.
Correct, yeah.
And yeah, the lifestyle yakhe generally. Umuntu ombona uthi yabo lo ngiyafisa ukuphila impilo enje. Uyabona nto.
So there is this thing ukuthi umuntu umbukela kude. Ufisa ukusondela eduze naye. This is just a general thing. And then only to find ukuthi uma ususondele eduze naye kuba nezinto osuyithola ezikwenza ushintshe indlela umbuka ngayo. Have you experienced something like that
with Ubaba Ndaba?
With anyone?
Oh, with anyone, no. And with Ubaba Ndaba, no, he's still the same.
Yeah.
I got to figure out that he's really a caring man. He's really a caring man. He's a gentleman, a kind man.
Yeah.
Ukuthi naye mhlawumbe imlingisela wangayithatha ngathi ngiyamehisa lento le. Wayithatha as into ukuthi yazi Dlamini uyahlupa. Wavela washo njalo. Dlamini uhluphile emhlabeni wenkosi. So manje mangiphinda futhi ngimlingisela hayi waqala ukuthi angikhonze kakhulu. Nasekuchwechweni levele kusengikhonzile.
Yeah. So do you believe in giving people flowers while they're still alive?
I honestly do, man, because
so if we were to pick up a phone right now and call that one person that you just want to say thank you, you've impacted my life in this way, in this way, in this way, in that way, who would it be?
Emotional. That person would be Ure.
Okay.
Ramos too. Most abantu abakhuluma nami efonini or abazi by personal life bazi I like to refer to the guy more as my mentor.
Okay.
Sometimes ngiyimbiza ngokuthi father. Most of the time ngiyithi father ke bazi bathi abantu so ukuthi father ku Ray bangithatha serious. But if kukhona umuntu that I really would want to appreciate before I hambe.
Yeah.
In fact, ngiqalele bengiyam appreciate ukuthi nje I feel like I haven't done enough to say thank you for what he's done for me because kulento okulingisela ngangekho focus kangako nalokho kuhlabela ngakho focus ngangikwenza nje athole yela Papama this is talent.
Correct.
Papama this is talent, this can take you far. Lento ngakisa kude and futhi it can connect you nabantu abaningi abale phezulu as it has now. I started taking it serious. Ngayenza yikho naye noma kuthiwa sengenza labo sindintombela onothando hlobo nje ngibuyele ngithi Ray.
So if we were to give Ray a call right now, so because I believe in giving people flowers while they're still alive.
Yes.
So I would like for you to speak to him, to tell him right now, live on the podcast. Will you do that?
Oh yes, I can.
Right.
Ray.
Let's do this. I'm gonna call Ray right now.
Oh.
I'm gonna call Ray and then. Hopefully not.
Yeah.
We are turners again. We are turners and I'm good again. Jesus. Let's see if you can get hold of Ray. Yeah, I'm gonna let him know. Oh yes. Iqalaba libanzi kakhulu la likhona.
For sure sekwenzweni.
I'm sure sekwenzweni. So that would be Ray and who?
Okay. Ray lapha phezulu.
Okay.
Most definitely Ray most phezulu. Emveni bese bakhona usisi waseGoli, I'm sure uyamazi. uFaith Ngwenya.
Oh yes.
You remember cutting ngeGoli?
Yeah.
Yeah, into engayikhokhela lapha kuphela was transport.
Tell us about it. How do you meet Faith? How do you know her? How do you meet her? How does she play this huge role in your life?
Okay, Faith, I met her on TikTok. Then you randomly scroll on your comment section and see the same person.
Oh, I pray that's a Oscars in
I didn't see the comment. So, yeah. Like, in case I'm going to comment on Faith Ngwenya, I'm going to profile like ngabona ukuthi hayibo uya MC lo muntu.
Yes.
Uya MC and makanikiwe uhlelo ukuthi aliphathe uyaliphatha. And so this one time angisakhumbula kwakuyinini